Oh, damn. What's up, savages? How about we talk about philosophies, knowledge, occult, secrets, esoteric secrets. Like some people say, life is about learning. It's about gathering knowledge. But what you gonna do with that knowledge though? You gotta see these ideas, these philosophies, by what is the end point of these philosophies, and does it sound like it's first of all even possible for human beings? Or is it just an endless loop of searching, being lost in the source? Or is there actually some end point that is first of all good for every human being that reaches that end point? And then how that end points look for the whole freaking realm we live in. I think that's where most people ideas get lost. They never reach that end point, and it's freaking hard. But in the end, the answer is so simple. We just have to return where we came from. The Garden of Eden, so to speak. Or at least, I haven't seen a good answer involving this civilization matrix that gets into all these political ideas, these utopias and dystopias, and they never work because they go against nature and nature of us. They always put us in a box that represses our true selves, and many times much worse. Much worse. But yeah, there's these occult seekers. Obviously, I've been interested about that for years. I talk about those guys a lot. And obviously, if you wanna break free from the matrix, you gotta have a lot of knowledge, a lot of wisdom yourself. But is it about all these man-made symbolisms? They're gonna give you the secrets. Maybe they do. I'm open to it. But I don't know, man. And then all these spiritual gurus, all these top scientists, top philosophers. It's all about learning more. But is that state really the most based state human beings can get? Or is it about playing, having fun, doing what you wanna do. Like how much that knowledge at certain point, how much does it give to your life? How much of it you can put in a use, so to speak, in your actual freaking life? Think about in the next one.